Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to set an icon for the custom module. So currently you can see that we have created a module called University Education Management over here and we haven't set the icon. So if you don't know how to create a custom module in Odoo, you can just watch the previous video. And now we are just going to set a icon for our University Education Management. So for that, first we just need to create a directory called static under the module University Education Management. For that, I'll be diving into the PyCharm, and from the PyCharm here you can find that this comes under the custom add-ons. So you can move on to that directory, which is the custom add-ons. There we can find the module called University Education Management, and I'll be creating a new directory called static over here. So you can set it as static. Once it's 10, what you have to do is you just need to create another directory. So there you can see that we are going to create another directory which is called description. Okay. So once it's 10, again click on enter, and inside this will be storing our the image of the icon. So as I just move on here under the files, you can see that we have the downloads. There you can find the image. Let me just rename it as icon .png. Okay, so let me rename it. Afterwards, you can move on over here. And we need to copy that. Okay, we need to copy the image. And for that, I'll be just using uh, copy over here. You can just copy it and you can just move on to the PyCharm, and inside the description you can see that we can just paste this. So let me paste it, and you can see that it will be pasting over here, and let's save it. And we just need to wait for a while in order to save that. Yes, we have saved it, and you would be able to see the image over here. Okay, afterwards you can rank the file. That's the Odoo 19. So let me move on to the University Education Management, and you can just get into the module info, and let's click on upgrade the module, and you can see that the icon will be visible over here. So currently we have assigned the icon for the module. Now we just need to make the module over here in the main menu, right? So in next video we'll be talking about that, and before winding up the topic, I would like to introduce Mobo. Take your Odoo experience beyond the desktop with Mobo, the open source mobile suite built for business on the go. Manage your operations anytime, anywhere. Access your data, monitor performances, and stay connected from your smartphone. This is designed for both iOS and Android. Mobo delivers a seamless, intuitive experience that helps your team work faster and smarter. Build an open source philosophy. Mobo gives you the flexibility to customize, extend, and innovate without limits. Experience Odoo mobility with Mobo. Explore the apps, join the community, and transform the way you work. So that's all about the video of setting the icon in Odoo 19 for a custom module. So thank you for watching the video. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys, and thank you for watching the video.